Hello, everyone. My name is Dezbee McDaniel, and I am co-founder and head of business development for CliniSpan Health. The problems that we're addressing with CliniSpan Health are twofold. Firstly is delayed patient recruitment. So 50% of all clinical trial sites enroll one or even no patients. For those that are able to enroll enough patients, 85% of those trials fail to retain enough patients throughout the time of the study. That's leaving 80% of all clinical trials failing to finish on time due to ineffective recruitment strategies. The second problem is lack of trial diversity. So the US is made up of about 40% of people of color, but the rate of inclusion for people of color in clinical trials is as little as 2 up to 16%. The dire implications of something like that is that someone that looks like me would take an improper dosage amount and see inadvertent side effects because enough people like me were not involved in the drug development process. And at its core, what we really noticed is people of color have a lack of trust in the healthcare system, and that's why we're not involved more. That's why we developed CliniSpan Health. CliniSpan Health is a software platform that diversifies clinical trial recruitment through trust. Our business model works in a way that we bring together pharma companies, nonprofits, and nonprofit supporters in a mutually beneficial way. Pharma companies are able to diversify their trials while also reducing the time and cost for drugs to go to market. Nonprofits are then able to contribute to the greater good of society while also raising donations. And the nonprofit supporters are then able to be educated and have access to clinical trials in a way that they never have before. The current solutions on the market consist indirectly of other marketing tactics such as print and radio, TV, newspaper. Directly, it consists of other companies like Medable and Backpack Health and Accurian. The two things that make us stand out from these indirect and direct competitors are the fact that, number one, we have a pure focus on diversification of clinical trials. None of these other marketing mediums have a pure focus on diversifying clinical trials as we do, which is increasingly important today. Secondly, we have a pay per lead revenue model, which means that our return on investment would be higher for a pharma CRO company than any of these marketing tactics where they might have to pay up front or there's no guaranteed return on investment. The market opportunity here is pretty huge, about a $5.3 billion market, and that was pre-COVID. As a result of COVID-19, the market has now projected to be about $7 or $8 billion. And CliniSpan Health believes that we can get in and get even 1% of this market, we can build a hugely profitable and impactful business. The team that we have working on this consists of myself and my co-founder, David Lipsitz. David is a 20+ year physician, entrepreneur, and clinical researcher himself. He founded and ran one of the largest urology contract research organizations in North and South Carolina and sold that business prior to venturing out with CliniSpan Health full-time. Myself, I'm an alum of Venture for America, and I've been an early part or founder with technology startups and grown them from inception. If you'd like to learn more about CliniSpan Health as an investment opportunity, please reach out to myself at the information that you see here. Thank you so much.